Alright, look. Don't judge me now. My mic broke. My mic broke. So now I have to use this other mic. I don't have no handle for it. So I'm gonna have to hold this shit. I'm gonna have to hold this shit, bro. I do not want to hold this shit, bro. Oh my god, bro. But we got Dev. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, Dev stay with fire ass shoes, bro. That's tough. I wonder how old bro is. Oh, that's tough as fuck. Ooh. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, Dev. I ain't gonna lie, that's tough. He tough. Oh, that's tough, Dev. No, dude in the pink shoes, he nice. Izzy's. That's tough. Y'all see the little pity patter? The little pity patter with the feet. You see that? Hold on. You see that? That's tough. Hold on. That's bro, that's tough. That's tough. Oh, they look tired.
That's 4.
What they playing? Oh, okay. What they doing? They doing 4 dribbles? 3 or 4 one of them. I don't fucking know. He always getting that off. He's always getting that snatch to that pull. He's always getting that off. Damn.
I'm stronger though.
That's tough.
We worked on it.
Oh shit. Oh, that's some crazy shit. I ain't gonna lie. That's some crazy shit. Not for Dev though. He almost tipped it. Ah, short.
Why you would think I would let you get back to 4? Or anything. That's game. Oh.
What are you gonna do? That whole Dev got old man strength. Ooh. That whole Dev got that old man strength. That was tough.
Can't tell. Oh. That's silly. What would you let me shoot that for?
That's tough, Dev.
That's 1 down.
That's tough. That is tough. Oh yeah, Dom. I ain't gonna lie, them Kobe's is tough.
Is he high? Is he high? Count the dribbles. Go look at it, and then come back to me.
Hey yo, Dom, come on, bro.
No, why? Have 1. Oh, I got 1.
Ooh. I thought he hit that. I'm not gonna lie. Pe'Shon Howard. That motherfucker is tough.
Oh, I just missed it.
Like it. What'd I tell you? Like it. Oh.
Yep. We play that. You gotta go get it. That's me. Stop. Still can't hold it. You still can't hold it. Got you.
Ooh.
No.
Bro, Dev kicks is fire. Ooh, Dom, you gotta stop. Dom, bro, you gotta stop talking shit, bro. That's
4. Hand right on my shoulder the whole time, too. Cheater.
shit, boy.
Okay. Next chapter, we're gonna call that.
Ooh,
Next chapter wouldn't call that either. They'll call
I
that
seen the vision. I seen the vision. Ugh. The fact that I'm holding my fucking mic right now is making me angry.
win too. You was out of there.
My mic on my head really broke. Like, that shit is done. Like, my shit cooked.
Oh, good deal. Oh,
Ooh, Dom. Dom, I ain't gonna lie. That shit was tough, Dom.
stupid.
That hoe kicked the ball.
Oh, fumble Rooski.
It all happened to the best of us.
6.
That's tough. It's fuck.
Got peace. No. No.
Them Kobe's is fire.
Oh, is that a foul? I need it. No. 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 No way. Are you serious? You got me so bad. I was out of there. Am I that strong that I don't feel it?
Something in my arm, I couldn't shoot it. I was trying to shoot it.
This boy's softer than funeral music.
It's
This is trash.
something in a pressure point, I swear. I couldn't shoot it. My arm went
Am I a kung fu artist?
He did. I don't know what. I think you tried to. You see me trying to shoot it. My arm got.
Be a little more physical than that. Maybe I did touch you, maybe
got
not.
stuck. I swear. Tell me, you teaching him stuff.
Come on, dog. If he make that, bro, if he would have made that shit, bro, after all that, I'm not gonna lie, that would have been tough. Pe'Shon. Pe'Shon gets straight to the Bucks, bro. Like, he gets straight to the Bucks. Milwaukee.
Don't work on stuff we work on.
Mmm.
Not right now.
Mmm.
Crowd him.
Oh. That boy Pe'Shon out there giving movie clips. He giving movie clips. Ugh.
Ball. That's tough. Just bringing everybody down.
Oh my God.
So lucky on that one.
They giving them the business.
He snuck that one. Just trying to sneak around. That's tough.
Point. A layup too, low key. On the rip through. Oh, bet.
You felt that here?
Oh, that's tough. How did he get that shot off, bro? How did he get that shot off?
You look crazy.
Wow. Oh. That hoe Dev. Nigga got some strong ass forearms. Motherfucker be curling 50s. 50 pounds. Oh my God. I told y'all P gets straight to the buckets. Milwaukee. He gets straight to the Bucks.
Same move.
Ah. Oops. Oh, oops.
Oh, that's a good move. He froze me. He froze me.
Ugh, Dom.
That was nice too.
It's tough. You finna shoot. I knew it. Yeah, go. Ooh, I knew it. I know it. I know it.
Don't let it get too comfortable. Don't get comfortable right there.
Tough. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. The Dev hands be so quick.
Sweet.
Ugh, they be so quick.
That was
He
your
be. I be trying to do that shit, bro. My fucking arm's too short, bro. That's tough.
too.
Yeah, go.
I like that.
Pe'Shon, I'm telling y'all, Pe'Shon gets straight to the Milwaukee Bucks, boy. Look at Dev trying to move fast. Floater. That's tough. Oops. Oh. Pull up. my God. He was gonna start talking crazy.
I was on that.
Contested? Oh. Dom.
That's 7, right? 6 or 7. I ain't take a break though.
Look at that. Bro, did y'all see the hell? Damn, hey, yo. That's tough. No, that's not a travel. No. Oh my God, damn.
That was a good move.
Hey, yo.
Even like that. I'm playing like some bull right now. Did you?
Dom said he on a mission. Oh, ah, oh.
He made it. He caught back up.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Whoa, that was ugly as shit. I don't like that one. He made it too. Yeah, you're right.
Hey, yo.
Uh,
Oh, is that damn snatch like that? Dom, your snatch like that? Oh, hezzies. Dev, come on, Dev.
not good at alive yet. I was just we can finish early
I'm not gonna lie. If I was hooping with them, bro, they made me look like a little ass kid. They all big as shit. I'm like 5'9", bro. I look like a damn child. Step bike. Yak it. Ooh.
Got it.
Dom. Boy. Ooh. Ooh. What he going? Ah. That look like if he would have used the glass, that shit would have went in. No fucking. Ooh. That nigga jumper is pretty.
I need some water.
That whole jump shot pretty.
Oh, go up for it. He gonna make that. You got 5? Yeah, I got 5. You got 4?
That's a pretty ass jump shot.
Right up with you.
I would not lie.
He has 5. I'm not cheating you, fool. I don't want him, neither one of y'all to win. Why would I lie about it? You got 5, I promise you.
That's all enough to try to find.
Got a piece.
Hey yo, I thought he hit that. That would have been very ooh. Oh. Dog. Snatch. Ah. He too damn big. He's too damn big. In his mid. Jack. Oh. Who the fuck is that? He big as shit.
I don't know how much.
It don't matter. But in the better like a microphone. Oh shit, Dev.
Why was I here?
Oh my God.
Tell me, I'll do the same thing again.
Hey yo, they tried to call carry on that John? Nah, no. That's not carry, bro.
Why was I here?
That's not a carry, dog.
You
I hate when motherfuckers be doing that shit, bro. That's a great, bro. They know. No, that ain't no carry, bro.
okay?
Hell no, that's not carry.
I do it again, Holmes. You tell me. I'll do the
Motherfuckers
same
call
thing.
carry when they get fried.
Let me see.
Stop it. That ain't no damn carry, bro.
Here, right?
Get out of here. Check up. Bangers. Bad man.
I know your pattern now.
Oh.
Body him.
Bumbo. Oh my God. He really missed that. Now I'm finna get into the bag. Bumbo. Oh my God.
4, 6, 1.
Oh, Bumbo. Clocked. Where the hell Pe'Shon go? Straight to it. Just straight to it. Straight to it, dog. Straight to it. They giving Dev the business. Ooh. That's tough. Ooh. That's tough, Dev. That hoe grabbed his ass. That hoe grabbed his ass. I ain't gonna lie, what he just did was in the lab academy. I had it before. That was in there.
No. Don't look at me like that. Just go to the weight room. Just go to the weight room.
That was in there. I remember. I wrote it down in the. I wrote that whole down in the notebook. I seen that. I remember that.
Was offensive.
I'm saying, if I go up though, rip through that, it's a foul.
Do it.
Yes, it is.
I'm telling you.
Grab me.
I'm telling you, you good. You good over here. Over here, you good. I'm the realest that it gets. It's the realest shit I ever wrote right there. Over here.
3-3.
No. It's 3-2. I got 3 games today. He got 2. But technically 2 on you. 2 with you there. No, 2 with you there.
One with me there. I wasn't
No.
there.
I won the King of the Court and I just won that one.
And what about the 5-0 game?
Huh?
Honda.
So that would be 2 games, and you almost won that one. What he saying, finish it. But live dribble, that was my first time doing live dribble, so it's definitely harder guarding him than that. He's just gonna have a problem when I get in shape with that, right? Yeah, you saw it. No, you saw it. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, all that crap I gotta talk about. But yeah, for the algorithm guys, please do all that stuff, man. So
Hey yo, the shirt Dom got on, that shit is hard.
much love to everybody.
That Joan hard. It's a great ass 1v1, man.
I've been killing you.
King of the Court, whatever the fuck you want to call that shit. All right, bro. If y'all enjoyed that, nigga, look. If you look, bitch. If you enjoyed that shit, nigga, leave a motherfucker, bro. Leave a like in the comments. Share this motherfucker even. I don't fuck, bitch. Goddamn, look. Hey, follow me. Goddamn below on motherfucking TikTok. It's gonna be in the description. Follow me on the gram. Follow me on Twitter. Goddamn. Follow me anywhere. My YouTube name is all my social media handles. So shit. Go ahead. Until next time. And I'm out, bruh.